Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily set up a Slack bot for Slack. So let's start. First, I would just go with here, and now what you want to do is just click on this button and now click on customize Slack. And when you're here, you want to click on Slack bot, and when you're here you want to add a new response. So let's say when someone says when I say I don't even know what to write here. I completely forgot. Facebook, SlackBot, Instagram. Save response. Okay. So right now, when I go to my second profile and I write here, I need to open it. Yeah, here we have it. Custom response, Instagram. So this is how you make the Slack bot. It's really easy and really simple. And I think like everyone can get it. And that's kind of it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.